Hello there, fellow citizens. Has been a while since the last session with the boys, but now we are back. We actually had one run a few days back, but we didn't actually, or I didn't actually put that to our channel. We didn't do that much different things there, so might be a bit boring. So, but this will be now maybe more interesting. So today we are going to try to buy our first big ship, and let's see what we are going to find. I'm thinking of Constellation Andromeda. That probably is the one to go before we buy anything bigger. So that will be really cool to see, and I haven't seen that live before this, so exciting. But let's start. Party invites are there. Then we go. Now the last session we actually paid off our crime stats, so we actually found the terminal where to do that. It cost like 3,000 SEK. UTCs, what's the currency? But that's now done, and we are good to go to get more crime stats.
Yay.
No, we don't want to get more crime stats. And boys, let's go to the city. We need to find a Platinum Bay. If we find that, we're gonna buy a couple of items there.
Okay.
And I'm thinking that I will buy a medical gun, because I'm a father and I need to help you when you get injured. So let's see if I find that.
I go lift.
Yeah, go to the lift and wait. It's still loading for me. Now I'm here. All right.
Where lift?
Press F12 and let's go to the lobby. I will meet you there. I don't know if I told you, but if the elevator is black, if there is just a black box, don't go in. Someone told me that it will just crash. You will fall down through the planet or wherever you are. And
Hello.
hello. There is Repsac. Raster is somewhere.
I'm coming.
And we actually
Hello.
took the mission. Let's see if we can actually find the water. I'm gonna see the contracts, F1, and see the contracts, and we have... Do we have anything? Accepted.
Nothing.
We don't have anything, so they are cleared. So I'm guessing the contracts will clear if you just wait a while. Okay. Alright. Then that's fine. Let's go to the train. It's lagging quite a lot. Then we need to figure out the... Where was the terminal? It was here somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was here. if someone doesn't know, here is the white terminal. I can tell you we spent quite a lot of time to actually find this one. Here it is. So there you can pay off if you are, or if you have behaved naughty or flown through the restricted area, which is, yeah. Conventional center. Is this our or the other one? This is the plaza. All right. Front seat. And then we were, or I was thinking maybe we are going to buy the two-handed repair tool. So the Cambio SRT. I'm guessing if we are going to buy a bigger ship, we can just store the things there.
Lagging.
Yeah, it's lagging a bit for me as well. Let's take
A little bit.
helmet off. Was it Alt and N? It should take the helmet off, or what was the key?
You see it on the side.
On the side? Where? On the page.
Yeah, on the the down corner.
I don't have anything on the corner.
Tram now leaving the station. Stand clear.
I will press I. Then
It's on your screen. It's left alt and H.
Ah, it was H. Not N. H. Ho. Like we said it in Finnish. Ho. Alright, let's go and...
Then left alt and N was for the request landing or request takeoff.
Ah, yes it was. Alright. And then we need to find ship shop. A place where you can buy ships. That is a ship shop.
Hammerhead. Well,
Yeah, that is a one ship. I'm thinking of that Andromeda because it has the two guns and it's a pretty safe ship for 3 players. Should we go to the hospital and reserve the beds? If we die, we respawn here, not to the space station. I haven't been here.
Get outside my
Maybe
area of
through there.
expertise. I'll alert a manager to a
Base
situation
and
and
check-in.
they'll contact you later.
I wanna check it.
Please,
Floor
step back. There are other
7,
people waiting.
room 1.
Okay. Floor 8, room 1. Okay. Then let's find an elevator somewhere.
let's see what is mine. floor, floor 4 and room 3.
Okay.
I have to go to floor 4.
And I was 8. Repsak, you were in 7. 7 and 1. Let's see.
I was 4 and 3.
Okay, I have 8 and 1. Where is 1?
Oh, I'm very sorry.
There.
That's a bit outside my area
Yeah,
of
not the chance of that
expertise.
happening. You're pretty much out of luck.
Sure. Manager
8
Far East,
and
I'm going to
1.
have to ask you to
Let
leave.
my manager know.
Aw.
All right. Let me take you.
You know, you're not the most important person in the verse.
I found mine.
People waiting.
Aw.
Did you find 701?
No.
Unfortunately, there's nothing.
I find.
Okay, and then in the end of the bed you have the terminal. Go there and then press the regeneration. Oh, what was that? Regeneration and reset location.
Yeah. Exactly.
Confirm.
I'm very sorry. That's a bit outside.
Regeneration and reset location.
Yeah.
Is that what I press?
Yes.
Confirm.
Then we spawn here.
I pressed confirm.
Alright.
Is that okay?
That's fine. And then let's go back outside. I will meet you in the lobby downstairs. There is a wheelchair. Can I use the wheelchair? No, I can't. There is no elevator music in the hospital.
I'm sorry. Unfortunately, there's
Was
nothing
there
I
always in the main elevator?
I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to leave. I'm very sorry.
Yeah,
That's a
not the
bit
chance of
outside.
I can't get
I'm
up.
Let's see if we can.
You can't get up from where? Go down to the lobby.
I am.
I am now in the lobby. Raster is also here.
I can do onwards. Sorry, there's nothing I can do.
Let's see if we can't get you sorted.
Alright.
I've had enough of it.
Repsak
You're
was
done.
resting.
Get out of here.
Stuck in the
Nope.
bed.
Can't do anything.
Alright,
for you.
but then let's go.
Unfortunately, there's nothing. I'm afraid there's
Let's
nothing I
go
can do.
and
Step
try
back.
to find
There are
the
other
shop.
people waiting.
Yeah, we are gonna buy a ship. Do I still have the money? Let's see. Yeah, I do. I still have the money.
Bye bye.
Oh, sorry, I'm still. All right. It's a bit laggy today.
Yeah, I see.
Maybe the internet connection is not the best. Okay, and then we need to find the shop. Let's see
How's it
the
going?
map. We are here. Ah. Hangars food. Ship rentals. We can actually rent a ship, but can we actually buy a ship? to go there. Rikers Memorial Spaceport. Okay. Let's go see what the ship rental is. Can we actually buy it? So, let's go. And if you see the Platinum Bay, the shop, you also need to go there. The ship is safe. What's that? Is that like a hangar? That's the ship picture for the rent. Let's go here. Follow the signs. There we go then. Don't fall from the edge. Astro Armada. Let's see what we can do here.
Feels like I haven't seen you in ages.
Hey there.
There's a ship.
Hey there. Hey there. Hi.
Alright,
Let's do
so
that.
No.
you wait while Daddy is buying a ship. Let's see what we can actually then do here.
I don't know what this is. Oi.
So if I remember correctly, we can all go
Ah,
in this ship. So I need to check.
Try.
How you been? Good?
What is
See
happening?
what the boys
What's
do.
this?
There's delicious
Whee!
interesting meat, countless
You can
worlds to
enjoy
explore.
Ow,
watching
I
that.
took damage.
Can't
I.
even imagine being born in a time
So
Where are you?
is this
Ah!
like, can we all
I-
travel this?
Now I'm.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Okay,
Wait a second.
hey, boys,
Reps.
I know what we are going to
Wait a
do.
second.
Hey,
Reps.
hey, I know what we are going to do. I'm gonna give you 1 million each, and you are gonna buy a ship as well. So we are going to all buy a ship, and then you can also use that to go to the next place. So it
Hello.
will not be only me. How do you send? How do you give money? Money. Where do
Nothing
you give
happened.
money? Wallet.
You have to go to
Trade.
wait,
Yeah, I found
wallet.
it. Okay, I found it.
Wallet.
And then amount 1,000,000. Cost me that much. Okay. Raster, you are going to get 1 million right now.
Yay!
Aww.
What's happening with you?
And then
I got 1 million. Yay!
Repsak,
Can
you
I
are
buy a-
also going to get 1 million. Don't spend it all on candy.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, now you should have 1 million each. So go to the terminal. You could actually
I
buy.
can buy the Kruger.
Uh,
Kruger.
no, press that and you should see Crusader Hercules, Crusader Intrepid.
Yeah, this was that I told you about.
Yeah.
This. plane.
Yeah. Did you
But
find
it costs.
700,000?
Oh,
And
this.
you can now buy
Is
it.
this the starter plane?
Oh.
Yeah,
Purchase.
it is.
Purchase ship. Are you sure?
Well, you can buy it. If we all buy the same.
The ship.
All right. No,
Oh,
I don't
ship.
want to buy another one. Cancel. Okay.
Got it.
You could have actually bought something
got
else,
it.
but then I don't know how the cockpit is looking like. So. Okay, did you buy it? You should have
Yeah.
like 300,000 left.
What's happening with you?
Yeah, I have 300.
Then let's go to the hangar and let's see what we actually have.
Been up to anything exciting?
That's our new ship.
How are you getting by?
Inca!
And with that ship we are going to fly to the next place. We didn't actually find the Platinum Bay, the shop, anywhere. Let's go to the left side here. I wanna check if the Platinum store is here. That was the outlet for the clothes and then was the ammo. What's this one?
How?
Walls, apartments, no, that's not. Well, maybe they might have sold it on the armor as well. Well, it doesn't matter, we don't need it right now. Let's go to the train and see what kind of ships did we buy. I think I need to buy some more drinks. We can buy it from the spaceport. Or is there a shop here?
I fall. Ah! I fell.
Alright, let's go to the shuttle and check the ships. Let's see how much do I actually have. Have two.
I have on a million.
Do you have still 1 million?
Yes.
Did you buy the ship? Did you press the...
No.
No, why didn't you buy it?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Do you want to go back and buy it?
No.
You wanna... Okay, then fine. Are you sure?
I don't know.
Let's go back. It's too cool to have a new ship, so it... let's go back. It's like we are going to have a new ship and you are using the old one. And I'm guessing it's not going to feel good. Let's go back. But this time we actually know where to go. So now we actually know how to navigate through the city.
My BPM rate is high.
So you go there. I'm
Wait.
gonna buy some drinks.
Ah! I fell.
I know. I saw that you fell.
Whee! This is so fun.
Ah.
Whee!
Ah.
I don't have to buy a ship, so it doesn't like matter.
But you already bought a ship, didn't you?
See? Yeah,
So
I
Repsak
bought a
will
ship.
buy a ship. Can I throw the can in the trash?
Yay!
Oh, I
spawned
can!
from
Wow! Would you look at that? You can actually...
find it. Yeah.
And Repsak, tell me when you are on the screen buying the ship.
I buy it.
And now you have 300,000 left.
Yes.
Okay, great. I could actually throw the empty bottles to the garbage can, so it actually works. They are there. Repsak, come eat some. What do we have here? Chinese food.
Can I go to...
Are you in the
Why
hospital?
am I in floor 9? Why am I
Can we buy
in
anything?
floor 9? I have to be in like
Hello there.
floor.
Can you make something for me?
Can someone adopt me?
Adopt you.
Yeah.
We cannot buy anything. I want some of that food. Oh, fine. Let's go Repsak here to buy some drinks. They go in the armor.
How can I get out?
Can I buy something here? Yeah, I can.
I can't get out. Help me.
We can't help you. We are eating.
No.
Nom 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 nom.
It's
Yum,
so
yum.
weird because I can't like... Why can I not get
Maybe
out?
some drinks as well. Kippies.
Where do I have to go? I'm in the elevator.
Go to the
What
lobby.
do I go
Go to the lobby. You can scroll down with the middle mouse if you don't see the...
I thought I was in the lobby.
Yeah.
I'm dumb.
Alright. I actually need to drink some more. I have only 77. Let's buy another one. I have money. Is this empty? Maybe it is. There you go.
I don't see your names.
Yeah, you can't see our names because you died. You are a ghost.
Am I a... Why am I a ghost?
There you go.
I am not a ghost. Bro.
You can
I am not a ghost.
No. You can also eat something there. I'm gonna buy some more drinks here. At least I know that they are here.
Help or rental opportunity.
Lux, I'm gonna buy from the terminal. Misk, give me some Lux. Give me 10 Lux. Give me some medpens as well. Let's buy enough. We can give the kids. Alright. They are in the store. I'm gonna put some few of those in my...
I wanna see your names. This. How do I see your names? How do I... like-
I don't know. I don't know. How do I see? Right.
Fire extinguisher.
Alright. Then let's go to check out our ships. We have maybe half an hour left, so let's see where we can actually go. Let's try to
Half.
yeah,
No.
half an hour, yeah. So let's go out and take the ships, and then let's try to find the space station where we need to go. Oh, yeah, we're going the wrong direction here. I wonder if they have a movie theater somewhere so we can watch movies. They might have.
This is already like a movie.
Yeah, this is like a
What?
You're levitating. Hey yo.
Alright, but let's go a bit faster.
Wee.
City flight. Business travel.
And now we remember not to fly nowhere else but straight up when we go out. The restricted area is quite of hard to see, even if inside the cockpit.
Why did it like straight stop? Bro.
Because it flies. I'm gonna check the behind. Scenes from behind. Ah, we actually went to the front.
Hey. Let me see. Let me see.
How fast does it actually go? I think pretty fast. I wonder if they have any crashes.
There was Avenger Tide. Like other animations.
Thanks.
Draft now approaching.
Did you mean?
And remember, the cockpit might be a bit different in this ship, so take your time. I'm trying to instruct you, but I haven't used this ship before either. So. But I wonder it shouldn't be that complicated because it's a starter ship. Let's see. It's the same buttons anyway. So don't go to the hangar yet, Rep.
Is that a
Oh,
starter
where you
ship?
can actually go
What's
and
this?
order the ship there. Do you
I
have
mean,
do you have the blue drinks here now? Yeah, go to your hangar and then order the ship there.
I am going.
Let's go see how the new ship is looking. Rasters and Repsa. My hangar isn't there.
Why Reps is in my hangar?
Reps,
Is
did you go
this-
to your...
You are
This is
mine.
my hangar.
No, this is mine.
No, this is mine.
Well, you can see it.
I don't care.
If you can't order the ship, then it's not your hangar.
Oh, I'm getting the ship right away. I don't have to wait. Yay!
To the ASOP vehicle
Where
retrieval
is
system.
the elevator? Ah.
In the
Vehicle
let's go see how the new
Finally.
ship is. And remember to put your helmet on. It's your
Where is the storage access?
boys. It's your birthday soon. If I buy you a new ship, is that a present enough?
I don't know.
I just gave you 1 million. Isn't that like a birthday
Yeah,
enough?
you have 250 million.
It doesn't matter. I didn't actually do anything to deserve that, but I'm kind of seeing
How
this
do I
that
get in my ship?
this is now a birthday present for you.
I'm stuck
Okay.
there.
Are you stuck in the elevator?
Yes.
How do I like get in? Ramp access. There.
Can you press the F and press anything there in the... Wow, where did you... Okay.
Oh.
Are you still in
You have
the...
to go to the side and
No.
Are you floating out of space?
No.
no.
Where are you?
I am going to my hangar.
Okay.
This elevator is stupid.
Yeah, it is kind of wonky. Let's see. So this is a bit bigger ship than our first one. There is a ramp access in the left side. Well,
Wow.
that's a quite cool
Nice
looking ship.
plane.
Mm. So let's go in and see how it looks like on the inside. There is on the left side there is a ramp access. You need to find the button.
You can't add power to the...
Ramp access. Try to find that.
If I put like all my energy on my engine, max energy. Yeah.
And remember to put your helmet on. There are beds and places where you can put stuff.
I am getting out.
Already? Okay. I'm just taking out
Yeah.
what do we have here. I'm ordering hot chocolate from there. What's that? Cargo. Oh, the cargo actually moves. That's cool.
I am going the outside.
Okay, you are fast. Gonna come as well. How do I close this one here?
Crusader Industries, a journey worth taking.
Okay,
I
let's
see you.
So boys are already out, so they didn't need any instructions. So I'm guessing it was easy enough. Did you put some?
If you got the first...
Engines
Did you put the power to engines and etc.?
Yes.
It does it automatically.
Aha, not for me.
Oh, hello.
Gun is already up.
Is this reps?
Yes.
You are clear to launch.
I am clear to launch. Am I? Enter.
Launch complete.
Whoa, don't go there. Aha. Is it like up? No. That's the
Someone
hang.
is landing with an Avenger Titan.
That's the hangar.
Someone
door.
is landing with an Avenger Titan.
My hang.
And
Aha.
No.
I need to wait. My
What?
hangar doors are not opening yet.
someone came out of your hangar.
I need to wait. Well, I can check out my ship then while I wait. Is it easy to fly?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh.
Now my hangar doors are finally opening. So.
This thing has one gun. Only one.
Yeah, I guess it's might be more powerful than what we have on the
Oh,
Avenger.
hello.
Maybe.
Thank you, and please visit again.
All right.
Hello.
There you are. Then landing gears up. What a nice day for a fly. So let's go up away from the restricted area.
This is weird because I can't like see when you're slowing down because I can't see your names.
Oh, yeah. I wonder if you should have logged out and then logged back in. Gonna go a bit higher. I think the Avenger was a bit faster.
But this afterburner is like so cool. It sounds cool.
Alright, I'm almost at 40, so I'm gonna stop here and let's see where we need to go. So I'm gonna press B.
Shields off.
Let's see where we need to go on the map. This is the ArcCorp where we are right now, and we need to go to was it on the Microtech? Alright. Did everyone got the... You have the route selected. Are you seeing where to go?
I'm calibrating. I'm calibrating.
I am ready.
I'm calibrating.
Same.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I can do it. Okay.
I do.
Travel engaged.
There we go. Repsak, did you go?
My game is lagging so bad.
Yeah, it's lagging a bit, but
Where's F4?
is it traveling, Repsak?
Yes.
Okay. And you can press F4 and then press Z and then you can check your ship. I think this is quite nice looking ship. A bit asymmetric. So that's nice.
I see the planet.
This will take quite some time. It's 46 right now. So this will take like how many minutes?
This goes faster than the Avenger Titan.
Where do we see the speed?
Yeah, this... No, you don't see it, but if you look at the GMs, it's going pretty fast down.
Yeah. This is the farthest
Like
that we
faster
have
than
gone. The GM was like maybe 9 where we went to the space station, so... Or was
It
it?
was 25.
Was it? No, the
25.
25 was the mission that we tried.
Yeah, it was
So
the
we
mission.
actually
Yeah.
took the first Wicklow mission, and then we went there, and we didn't bring the water or anything. So we just checked out the museum, and that was pretty cool. And you can guess who got stuck and needed to restart. Place your bets. But yeah. And boys, we really need to quit after we make the jump, so let's go try to find a landing place somewhere. and then let's try to do save the game there, so we can continue from there.
Where can you take the screenshot? What keyboard key was that? I don't
Probably the
remember.
print screen button
Oh,
next to
pressed
F12.
it. Yeah.
The Microtech is farthest away from the sun, so this is a snow planet. And we have snow right now in Finland, so maybe this is a nice place to visit.
Quantum fuel, 75%.
I wonder, can you actually exit from there? Don't try, but when you quantum travel long way, can you actually exit from the seat and go sit somewhere? Maybe you cannot go and...
Quantum travel exit. Oh, you can exit the quantum travel. I
Yeah.
think that if I do it, you're gonna run into me and then I'm gonna explode.
Yeah, maybe. Don't do that. If you are in the cockpit and press down Z and look on your right side, there is the ejection button, so don't press that, please.
I don't know why when I do it, it's not like it's not invert. Why? I don't know.
No, it's not
Why
invert.
is it not?
No, it's not, because this is a different setting. And we haven't changed that. It's not invert for me as well. It's the flight is inverted, but not the look when you check out the view. Four point, almost 3. We are getting close. I think this planet, I don't know, maybe this doesn't have those restricted areas, so we can actually fly. Whoa, there we go. It's good that it actually stopped and just didn't go all the way.
Where are you? I don't see
It's
you.
it's
You are
loading
so
at-
far.
There's with yellow.
Let's see if I can see someone. I see
Am I?
raster 1.3 GMs away. A bit far.
I can't see you because I can't see your names.
Well, you can just then fly towards the planet.
I see you.
Yeah, it will be enough.
Can I go there?
Yeah, go there. Reps up. Can you see the new Pappage, or can you see the Microtech?
I don't know.
Come towards the Microtech.
I'm going into new Pappage.
Yeah. Go. I'm gonna check what the Repsak is seeing. Gonna fly as well towards.
Quantum travel engaged.
So that will stay there.
Quantum travel complete.
All right. Repsak was a bit far away and tried to fly, and it would have taken forever. So now you are here, Repsak. So let's fly towards the main area.
Shields on.
I don't know where do I see nothing.
And go press B to exit from the navigation.
What is that?
Is there a blinking light somewhere?
Is that you?
Yeah, it's me. And then press the hail. So I wonder if we are close enough already.
No, we're not close enough.
Okay.
Did you put max energy on your engine?
Yes, I did.
I think I see Reps.
Yeah, Reps is there. I'm gonna fly past Reps right now.
Where is my hangar?
Let's see, I'm gonna press the hail and let's see what. Maybe you can then follow me.
Stupid game.
Where is my
Here we are. One space, as promised.
Here.
yeah, we were moving towards the city there. Where
Oh,
is
it's
the
there. It's behind us.
It's behind us.
Yeah.
Oh, there. Yeah. We were flying towards the city. Remember to put your landing gear.
Yes.
Hail. NBINT spaceport. Is that what I do?
Yeah. New Babbage Internet Spaceport. I found my hangar. It's one.
Landing gear down.
Landing gear down. Number 2 is opening. That might be Rasters.
The hangar
Right.
2 is
So the
mine.
space assigned to you has been cancelled.
Might be easier to fly through F4. I'm in.
I'm like tapping
Great.
afterburner so
Your
I can
vehicle should
go
be all
faster.
set.
Engine off
Systems
and
off.
system off. Thank you for flying with us.
Please don't close.
Exit seat Y. You need to press U and hold it, and you can exit. Alright, and then let's go and store our ship.
I stored my plane.
Good.
Welcome to the ASOP Vehicle Retrieval System. Your vehicle has been moved to our storage facility. Please visit us again.
Please, it is.
Why did it say? I don't know why, but it said, landing request cancelled. I don't know why.
Aha.
My plane is now stored.
Alright.
I'm gonna store my plane.
Maybe we go to the... I wonder if the hospital is here. We could actually save, but I think we are going to... It's now going to save us here. Because the plane is now stored here. So... Repsac, you can just exit. You are fine.
Where exit?
Exit the game.
I quit game.
Yeah.
Okay. I quit.
No crashes, yeah. That's good. Raster, what's your situation?
I just stored my thing.
Okay.
Whatever plane is that? Good game.
Yeah.
But I don't think that we're gonna spawn in there.
Bye bye.
I think we are because
I don't think that.
we stored this
Bye bye.
here. Bye bye. It's only if we die then we are going to go back.
Okay. Bye bye.
Alright. Bye bye.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Alright. That was that. So no real accidents this time. But now we are in the winter planet, so let's see next time if we can actually find the software to buy the actual ship that I was thinking of buying this during this video. But at least we managed to trip quite far away to Macrotech. So next time we are going to go and see how this planet and the city looks like. So that will be cool to see. But yeah, that was that. So thank you for joining on this episode, and we will see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Try.
What is happening?
Let's see what the boys
What
are
is
doing.
this?
There's delicious
Whee!
meat, countless
You can enjoy watching
Ow,
that.
damage.
I.
Can't even imagine being born in a time where
Where are you? Ah!
I'm gonna buy some drinks.
Ah! I fell.
I know. I saw that you fell.
Whee! This is so fun.